Thank you so much for joining me again. And today we are making our own die travel souvenirs. It's actually so much more fun to make your own souvenirs because it's meaningful to you. You pick up a rock from that special beach, and if you take a postcard with you, it was probably of a place that you visited and you really loved. So combining all these things together in one souvenir makes it something special that you want to look at because it helps you to remember your trip. You see me painting a rock. I did another one where I tell you how to. I will link that in this video. For this particular project, it would be nice if you have a jar with a wide opening so your hand will fit in. I also bought this card on my vacation and I want to do that in there as a backdrop. On the back you can write a message, you can say where you were, the date, or some little story. I also brought home some sand. I always do that because I have a sand collection which I will link right here. So I'm putting the sand in here. And then I collected some rocks. And you have seen me make this already. So I painted a rock, put some sand on it, and I painted this cute little lighthouse and glued it on. That goes in there. And then I collected really small shells. Back there it wants to focus on. Yes, there it is. So a little bottle with tiny shells. Also put that in. I was really happy to find these shells, and it doesn't focus. So yeah. So these are those flat ones. I also collected a lot of shells, smaller and some bigger ones. Some of the pretty shells that I found. So I'm putting in some beautiful shells that I really want to keep randomly into my jar, and if you want to arrange them, you can, of course, use a tweezer, or if your hand fits in, you can do it with your hands. Some of this twine. And I will probably hang a little tag on there saying the place it came from. And there we have this beautiful homemade souvenir. See how easy it was to make your own travel souvenirs, so you never have to buy them again. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and hopefully I will see you back next week with a new video. Bye bye!